the sky on a quiet night. A little star twinkled with all its might. I wish to explore, to wander far, to see what lies beyond where I are. The moon looked down, wise and kind. Go ahead, little star, and seek what you find. But remember your home, the night sky's embrace, where you shine bright and light up space. The little star beamed, ready to soar across the cosmos through space's great door. It zipped past planets so grand and round, each with secrets waiting to be found. On one red planet, dusty and dry, rovers worked hard under a crimson sky. Hello there, machines, what's your aim? To find signs of life, they exclaimed. The star twirled on through a comet's tail, a glittering stream like a cosmic trail. Such beauty, it gasped, filled with delight, as the universe glowed with its endless light. In a nebula vast, colors unfurled, it saw the birthplace of stars and worlds. This is where magic begins to flow, the cradle of galaxies, a wondrous show. A black hole room, mysterious and dark. Its pull was strong, its presence stark, but the stars stayed far, admiring its might. A swirling abyss that devours all light. After a while, the star felt alone, far from the sky it had once called home. Remember, Earth is vast, a beautiful maze, but I miss my spot in the Milky Way's haze. So it turned around, its journey complete, with memories of wonders it couldn't repeat. Back in the sky, it shone even brighter, a guiding light, a cosmic writer. I've seen the galaxies, the planets, the streams, but home is where my light truly beams. So dream big, little stars, and wander free, for the universe is vast, a mystery.